Good morning. So we'll start session 5 on chapter squares and square roots. So till now we completed squares part, and how to find the square root of a given number we have understood that by a prime factorization method. So in today's session we will study how to find the square root of a given number by a long division method. So why is this long division method? Because sometimes finding prime factorization for a given number will be quite difficult if the numbers are too large. So we will go with the long division method. It will be mentioned in the question, find the square root of a number by prime factorization or a division method, which you have to follow the same. So about this method we will learn and understand as and when we start with the exercise. Along with that we will see. First one, find the square root of a number by long division method. That means 2304 is a perfect square. How do we start with this? So this is the method how we divide it. 2304. When we write this number, we need to first group the numbers in pair. So grouping numbers will start from your right hand side to left hand side, and we always group the numbers in pair. So if I start from here, 4 and 0, this is one pair and this is another pair. Assume that there was one more number here. What would happen? This number would be only 1. Okay? Because we started from there, in pair we started. Whatever is left out, if it is 1, leave one number as it is. Since we don't have it, okay. And how should we start now multiplying or dividing? Not by our usual division method, but the division goes with the perfect square numbers only. For example, now perfect squares when we write 1 ones are 1, 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 4 is 16, 5 into 5 is 25, right? And so on. Now 23 number when we have to divide, usually division how we start, 5 fours are 20, right? Something, whatever is to be divided. But here use perfect squares. 23, I think nearing is 16 because 25 is larger, we can't subtract. 4 fours are 16. I can't use 3 threes are 9 because the next largest number is 4 fours are 16. That should be used. So 4 fours are 16. So now what we will do is subtract it. That is a common rule. 23 minus 16, we get 7. Whatever number you multiplied, add that number here. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then what we do is we just bring the next pair down. That is 704. Now, what number I should take here? It should be again the same perfect square number. How to choose? Look at the last digit. It is a perfect square. So, what will give you perfect square? A number into this will give you a last number as 4. We have two chances to get 4. 82 into 2 because 2 2s is 4, or 88 into 8. Again, it can't be 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 into 3. If you have taken 8, into 8. If you have taken 9, into 9. Because 8 8s is 64. Two chances we have. So this will not come. Look at this. 8 8s is 64. 6 carry over. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 6 is 70. So 88 8s are 704. Answer is 0. So square root of 2304 is 48. Right? One more sum will do. You might find initially difficult, but as and when we proceed with the sum, you will understand the technique. 4489. So in the division part, 4489. Again, we have to group from our right hand side. We have 44 children. Now 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49. 49 I can't take. So I will use this as 6 6 are 36. 44 minus 36, you get 8. Add 6 here, how much you get? 12. Bring 89 down, 89. You want 9 here. Just see. 120 into a number should give 9 in the unit digit. So 3 3s are 9. 123 into 3 will give you how much? 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Or 9 you should get 7 7 is 49. 127 into 7 will give you 9 in the first unit. 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14. 16, 17, 18. 7 1s are 7, 8. So 67. 127 into 7 will give you 889. 0. So you can say square root of 4489 is equal to 67. Right? Two more sums I do, children, then you will understand it. Working, you have a space, draw a working column and finish all the working there. Okay. Third and fourth also I will do. What is third one? 3481. So when you do this, 3481. Okay. So which number will you take first? 6 6 are 36 is not possible. So 5 5s are, I think 25 you can take here. 34 minus 25 you get 9. So 5 plus 5 answer is 10. Bring this 81 down. 81 you have two options, that is now here 10 is there. It should be 101 into 1 is 101 or 109 into 9 because 9 9s is 81 you get 981. 109 into 9 is 981. 0. Square root of 3481 is equal to 59. Okay. Last one more I do. 529. Fourth one. Now look at this sum here. 529. First pairing will come for 29. Then the pairing will come only on 5. Right? From right hand side when we start. How do you start? 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. Bring this 29 down. A pair down. 2 plus 2 you will have 4. You want 3. Sorry, you want 9 in this one. So 43 into 3 will give you 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, we got it there and then. 43 3s are 129. 0. Square root of 529 is equal to 23. So, understood, children? This is how you do find the square root by a division method. So, here homework sums. First main till fourth one I have done. Fifth one, sixth one, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Yes, because 4 sums I have done. You should get practice with this. So these sums I have marked for homework. So let's quickly move to the next main. Next main is again interesting. Looking at the digits of the number. Looking at the number. Now see here, for example, 2304 is a 4-digit number. Its final answer is in 2-digit. So everywhere here, wherever we have now 529 is a 3-digit number. Still its final answer is in 2-digit. Without dividing, I can tell whether the final answer is in 2-digit, 1-digit or 3-digit. Right? How is it? Let's just check. That is usually asked for 1 mark MCQs sometimes. So what you do is, before you start with that question, you need to write one note. First we'll write down that and then we'll copy down that question. So the exercise is quite big. We will divide the exercise. So in today's session we will only do few of the means here, and the next session, that is the last session for square root chapter, the remaining sums we will be continuing with it. Okay. First of all, write a note. First we'll write it and then I'll explain. To find the number of digits in the square root of given number. First one, if n is odd, that is if the given numbers are odd numbers. Odd means what? Not the last digit, number of digits. 3 digit odd number, 4 digit even number. If the n is odd, then the number of digits in the square root is n plus 1 by 2. We'll explain. After you write this, I will explain it in the sum only, children. If n is even, then number of digits in the square root is n by 2. Now just an example I'll give you. See here, it is, find the 625 is one square root and square root of 36. Okay, let me take this. Now here this is odd and this is even. Okay children, what I will do, I will write 49. Odd and even in the sense, number of digits are odd, number of digits are even. So here n is equal to 3. It is odd. So number of digits will be n plus 1 by 2, that is 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. What is square root of 625? Answer is 25. Huh? How many digits? 2 digits. Look here, n is equal to 2. Even. So this is simple, n by 2. 2 by 2. It is 1. So what did you get here? So number of digits is 1 because 7 root of 49 is 7. We got answer in 1 digit. We got answer in 2 digits. That is just what they have asked here. You need not write the example, children, because the exercise what we are doing itself is an example. But write this note. This is very important what you have to do. So write out this. Based on this we have a small mean. We will complete that. So after this note you are supposed to copy the second main sum. Okay. Now let's see the second main sum. Find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers without any calculation. First one, 64. Here n is equal to 2. That is even. Therefore, number of digits, same thing, in the square root of, is, that's all you can write, n by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. That's all, nothing more to write. Second one is 144. Here n is equal to 3, that is odd. Therefore, number of digits in the square root is n plus 1 by 2. What is n? 3. 3 plus 1 by 2. 4 by 2. Answer is 2. Number of digits what they are asking. I hope you understand this. So, third, fourth, fifth you can mark for homework. I'll do one thing. I'll do fifth one, children, here. So, second mean, third one, fourth one. Fifth one is 390625. Here n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even. Therefore, number of digits in the square root is n by 2, that is 6 by 2. Answer is 3. That's all. what you have to write here is. Now quickly we'll find the next one, that is finding the square root of the following decimal numbers. Now till now we have done the square root of only the numbers here. Let's learn how to find decimal numbers. With that we will end with today's session. That means you need to be perfect with the square root of the given number as well as the decimal number. In our next session we will study what is the least number to be added or subtracted to make it a perfect square. But that can only be done if you are perfect with the division method only. So I want you all to be perfect in the division method. So in tomorrow's session what we can do is learn few more extra concepts on division. So now let's see for decimal how to find the square root. Yes, pairing will differ there. So the first number what they have given here is third mean, first one 2.56. So how do we actually, we have to again pair the numbers here. We pair it decimal separate and the number separate. Okay, for example, if the number was only 256, how would you pair it? You would pair it like this, correct? Excuse me. You would pair this like this. But here what we do is, we have a decimal. Decimal will be paired separately. Right? And in another part of the number will be paired in this manner. Let me give you some more example. 2.357. It's not a perfect square, I know that. Okay, 2.51 I will take. So first part will be paired like this. Second part will be paired like this and left alone. Okay? This is how you pair it. From decimal, from the C arrow mark will tell you, will explain you everything how we have to pair. So again, so the first one should be, see, don't see the decimal. You do your usual technique. 1 ones are 1. Why? Because perfect square. 2 minus 1 is 1. What should come down? Next pair should come down. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now after 1 point decimal is there, put here 1 point. So 6 is there. So 20, not 23, 24 into 4 will give you 16, right? So 4 fours are 16, 4 twos are 8, 9, no. Otherwise 26 into 6 will also give you 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, 6 twos are 12, 13, 14, 15. 26 into 6 will give you 156 and 0. So square root of 2.56 is equal to 1.6. Okay, let's quickly start with the next one. Let's see how it is. Second one is 7.29. So 7.29. Again children, part here and this side. 3 3s are 9 will not come here. So what should I do? I should go with 2 2s are 4. What is the remainder? 3 is the remainder. Bring the remaining terms down. It is 329. After 1 decimal. So add 2 plus 2. Answer is 4. I want 9. So it can be 43 into 3 because 3 3s is 9. Or it can be 47 into 7 because 7 7s is 49. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. No. Next is 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28 plus 4 we get 32. So 47 into 7 will give you 329, 0. So square root of 7.29 is equal to 2.7. Right? One more sum I do. It's with a 4-digit number. Then remaining 2 I'll mark for homework. Third one, fourth one is for homework children. 51.84 I do. So 51.84. So this way and this way. So 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64. I can say 7 sevens is 49 here. Subtract it. So 2 remainder we get. Bring this term down. 84. Put a decimal. 7 plus 7, 14. You have 4. So this should be either 142 into 2. Because 2 2s is 4, or 148 into 8, because 8 8s are 64. Let's check with this. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 284. 142 into 2 will give you 284. See, perfect square very easy to find because we know the ending digit what it is and how to find. So answer 551.84 is equal to 7.2. Right? So this is how we find the square root of a given number as well as the decimal number by a division method. Only if you are perfect with this division method, the next concept what we are dealing in the next session, that is least number to be added and subtracted, will be understood. So with this we complete today's session. I have given you some homework. Please do it. Only if you are perfect, you will understand tomorrow's session.